This conference
there
will
we
now
used
be recorded.
So there we used cell module. One is, and one more is a setup module. So okay, so any module we can use it, not only cell module or setup module. Any module we can use it. So the module is right. So going forward, so we will see. Okay, just we saw the how to write the command. That's it. How to write the command using some module. Okay, right. So today we'll see so how to write the playbooks. So here, right, already we know, so using YAML script. So using YAML script, so we'll write the playbooks in Ansible. So here, right, we'll have like some syntaxes. Okay. So we'll start playbook with the reference. If you see initial scripting something, so we'll start like the rate. Initial scripting a Python script / bin bash something like. So we'll start like this, right? But this is optional. See, right? Okay. So it is optional. So we'll start like this. If you see any shell scripting, I will start like this. From here also, so okay, the YAML scripted playbooks we can start with 3 hyphens, but optional. Okay, so and we can end with so 3 so the 3 hyphens. But this is optional, it's not mandatory. So this is optional. So that, and we'll follow some like some lists, some lists will follow, some items will follow, and some dictionaries will follow. For example, so list means so I have, for example, fruits. Okay, fruits. So fruit something. Okay, banana, apple, grapes. See here, right? So this thing will call the list. Fruits are the list. So these things are the items. For example, right? So here, if you see, fruits are the list, and these things will call the banana. Same thing. For example, see if you use this bracket name, Ram, job, IT. So if you see these things, so this thing will call the dictionary. This thing will call the dictionary. Okay. Just the syntax, that's it. YAML or Python, not only YAML, Python also same thing. If you see the Python also, so we'll have some dictionaries, lists. Okay. So this thing will call the dictionaries, this thing will call the item list. Okay. Gaurav, Revati, Shesu.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, right. So if you see YAML syntax also here in documentation, Ansible documentation. So we start with 3 hyphens and ends with 3 dots. 3 dots. Okay, it's optional. It's not mandatory. It's optional. Okay, it's optional. Okay, all members of list. Okay, so this thing, whatever discuss of this list, right? Okay, so all members are items. So we'll start with hyphens. That hyphen. That hyphen are dash. So this thing. So like this. And dictionary means in dictionary we will have the key and value pair. So okay, like this, key value pair. So this is key, this is my value. This is key, this is my value, key value. So like this, so we can write the YAML scripts. So here, same, these things are this thing, okay. So my key, my value. So my key, my value. So here also same thing. So my key and value like that. It's very easy only. No need to confuse. Okay. So if you practice some 4 to 5 playbooks, right, it's very easy. It's very easy. So it's not like Java or Python. It's very easy. Okay, right. So switch to your username, whatever username you set up. Okay. So in my case, I set up RAM username. Why? Because for RAM username, so I set up all my the setup, that whatever that password authentication, all the stuff and all. Go some folder wherever you want. Okay. So in my case, I'm creating one directory like playbooks. But up to your wish, whatever directory you want, so you can create it wherever you want. Okay. So for example, my first playbook, not all playbooks. Okay. So we should save with YAML extension, YAML or YML, both in anyone. Okay. YML or YAML. Okay. So all playbooks. Why? Because so you are using YAML, right? So we are writing the playbook. So all playbooks you should save with .YAML or YML extension. Okay. All these things, right? So here I given. So in documentation, so later you can follow. Same the commands, whatever the command. Okay. So and that's also okay. So here I given. Okay. So just you can follow it. So here I said I put these things, right? So this is mandatory. You want to do, I'll just ignore also. So then okay, if you want this thing you can give, so otherwise just you can do it. So okay, so directly, okay, so I'm starting from here only. Here host, yeah, already we discussed, right? Host. So here you can give all means it will refer the all the host which are in the your host inventory file, or you can use that group name like master agent we have, right? That group name you can give. If you give group name, it will refer the servers which are in that particular group only, or you can use that individual server name also. Here I'm giving so all like this. Okay. Here if you see here, right, in documentation I given local means the local server. So wherever you are executing the playbook, wherever you are writing the playbook, that local server. Okay, you don't confuse. You can use all or the particular master group, group name or individual server name. Or local means your local host, your local server, your local host. In my case, my local host is wherever I'm writing my playbook, wherever I'm executing my playbook. Okay, so don't confuse here. Then tasks. So here, right, if you see, okay, so here, right, I given hyphen host, hyphen, I'm using hyphen. So that is syntax, YAML syntax, right? Like, so again, right, so we don't want to start from from here. Okay, so we don't want to start like this. So here we have to give one space, only one space, not more spaces or tab space, only one space. Okay, one colon here. So hyphen name. Task means your activity, what you are going to do. Okay, your task, your activity. Hyphen name. So some whatever the subject name, that whatever
So
task
Ram,
name.
after Ram, so you given task, right? In task under hyphen space name, is that required like that?
Yeah, yes, yes. So here, right. So we have to give here okay. So some space. Okay, we should not start from under T only.
Okay.
So here we have to give some space hyphen. Okay, again space and name. Name means your task name. The
Okay,
play
what
name.
we are going to perform.
Yes, exactly. The play name. Play means, so if we execute the playbook, right, the execution of playbook, so we will call the play. So the play, your play name or your task name.
Okay.
Okay, Revati, Gaurav.
Yeah, Ram.
So again, right, so okay, so we should not start from here onwards. Okay, we have to start from below n. Okay, below n, exactly below n only. If you give one space also, it will not work. I will show you later. Okay, so here my syntax. So here what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to install my Apache, that Apache Server. So my command m is my module name. M is the module name. So m is one of the module name in Linux or Unix. If you want to install something in Unix or Linux side, so we'll use the m, same that m command, right? So here also same the m module. So m syntax. For example, right here I don't know that m syntax. It's simple. So okay, m Ansible. So here, okay, so we will get that syntax. These are the built-in modules. Okay, so whatever okay it is. If you want to create your customized modules, then you can so using any programming Python programming language. So you can create your customized. Okay. It's not required. So in nowadays, it is okay. In latest Ansible, right? So we'll get all the modules. Still, if you require, so use programming language, you see, here we are discussing right a M module. So just leave the playbook sometime. I'm saving this playbook. Leave this playbook sometime. Just leave this. So if you see M command in Linux, right, we have one M command. If you see M command, type M hyphen help. So you will get the help, right? Okay, that's command help. See here you can see. See, just okay. I given hyphen M that help command. Okay, so help command. So along with the M, so we can use this many options. Okay, so we can use these many options. We can use these many options. You man M. Okay, man M means manual M. Okay, so man M means manual M. Means you will get the more documentation for M. So you can see right here, right? So okay, so you can see so many is there. Okay, so many options. Means along with the M, so we can use these values also in M command in Linux. Here we're talking about Linux, not Ansible. Okay, I'm talking about Linux command, not Ansible here. You can see along with M, right? So we can use M update, M update 2, M check update, M upgrade, M remove, M auto remove, M list, M info, M provides, M clean, M make cache, M groups, M cell. Okay, all these options we can use it. Okay, Gaurav, Revati, say so.
Yes. Okay.
Any questions here?
Yeah, Ram.
Here, so you still, if you don't know Linux, if you're not compatible with Linux, please, okay. I think I said some Linux document. Please go to the Linux. Okay? It's very, very important. Almost 95% is, so almost all the servers, sorry, all the project will be run. Okay? The DevOps project will run on the Linux servers only. 95. Okay. So the Windows very rare combination for Windows. Okay, so 90% is so okay. all DevOps platforms will run on the Linux only. Please, Linux means Unix or Linux. It may be Red Hat Linux, it may be Oracle Linux, it may be CentOS, it may be Ubuntu or Fedora, whatever. But the commands will be same command with small different. That's it. Okay, right here, right? If you see Linux, right? So yum is one of the command. So okay, along with the yum, so we can use these many options. Same thing. If you go Ansible, right, for yum module. So what is the yum module that it uses? Yum manages packages with the yum package managers. You can see what is the yum also. Early videos, everyone knows the yum. So okay, so using yum, so we can so this thing and options. What options we can use it? So parameters. So conf file using conf file, we can do this thing. See the same thing. Here you go. What is this conf file? That remote yum conf file to use for the transaction. Conf file check. Here also you can check the same thing. Okay. Conf file is not there. Just file name. Okay. File check. Not there. Maybe okay. You can disable something. This is one option. So same thing here also you can see. Group, disable. What is this? Whether disable the GPG, okay, disable pages. That's it. History. Okay. So you can see depot lists of packages and all. Okay. It's similar to that. The same both. It's similar to that both. Disable repository. Okay. So repo list, disable repository. It's not there. It should be there. Okay. You can see same thing. Okay, so the repository here you can do all enabled, disabled. It is similar to this thing, disabled repository, these things. Okay. You can see here one exclude, using exclude option. So in Ansible model also we can exclude some something, the packages names or exclude those things and all. If you see here also you can see the same thing. Okay, so full install, downgrade the full list version. Maybe guess Bruce may catch a, or you can use the help also. So there also you can find here also. So you can see disable includes, but nowadays excludes, right? You can see here, this is the enable repo, disable repo. Okay, exclude. It will be there. It will be there. Okay, so wait for purpose version check. You can see excludes. You can see excludes. It is similar to, so these both are similar. Okay, you can disable excludes or disable excludes includes excludes something, right? That okay, that option. So that's same. That option say that value same, that your yum command or your yum model same. Okay, same, but that okay, these options will be different, but the naming will be that. No, the purpose will be same. Same thing. So you can see a list. Means we can list out whatever package. If you use YAML list, right, so it will list out the whatever the install packages are there. Same thing here also you can see list version. See here list of plugins, version, install, root. Where is the list? Here it is there. List. You can see here list, M list. It should be there list. But color absolute. Enable, wait, help. It should be there list. Okay, so you can see here. List of packages or group of packages. Okay, same thing. See here also, it will list out the package names and all. If you see name, the package name, whatever, okay, so the package name. So here also you can see the package name, list name clean, so name for packages, install. This is the package name. Will you read like yum install some package name, right? So you name come down. Shell repo install package install. Okay. So for install, right? So we'll use some name, right? So it should be their name. Okay. So that is both are equivalent. It will be there here. Okay. So let also check here. So all these things. Okay. State means remove. So okay. State. Here also you can see a state. Okay. So here also you can see state, install command. We will use state install something, right? Okay. So state remove something. Here we will give install or uninstall. Okay. Statements here you write will give install or remove or uninstall will go. So here also same. Okay. So here we will use a static install something. Okay. So the same options. Update cache. So if you see here also you can see update cache something. So just now I saw something update cache. Update cache, right? See man update cache. You can see update cache check update. Okay, so all these things under. Okay, so make cache. So this is so equivalent to that update cache. So list, you can see list. Okay, so you can see install package something. The state, it is equivalent to the state. So okay, so you can see that the repo list also, all those things under you can see here. It's similar. Your yum command in Linux, in yum module in Ansible, it's same, it's similar with all options. Okay, Gaurav, Revati, Shesu.
Yeah.
Here, right? So for one module, I'm taking this much time. Why? Because for all the modules, same thing. Okay, for going forward, all the modules will not compare. This right? In these values or these parameters, I will not compare with Linux, with Ansible, I will not compare. So directly I will go to the syntax. So that's why right here for first module, so I'm taking time to compare so all these options in my Ansible module and in my Linux server, the Linux command. Okay. So for each and every module, so we will not compare, right? We will not compare. We will directly go to the syntax. Okay. Any questions here?
No, Ram.
Yes, Revati, any questions? Yes.
No, Ram.
Right. Same thing. If you come, so here you can the syntax or the examples. Okay. So you can see the name. So that means your play name, your task, your activity names. Okay. And your syntax. Your M module. So these things, your parameters. So this one, your parameters. Here you don't want to mention all the parameters. Okay, whatever parameters you require, so that only, so those parameters only you can mention. You don't want to mention all the parameters, all the options here. Okay, all the options. So here in this case, I required only name and state. Okay, so in this case, I required so these three. So whatever parameters you require, just you can mention. So in this format, M. So my item. So these things are okay. So my list. Sorry, this is my list. M is my list. So these are my items in key value fair. This is the key value. This is the key. This is the value in key value fair. So it mentioned this is syntax. We should follow this syntax only. So there is no other option. Okay. So you can here write. So you can follow this thing. Okay. So otherwise, in same line you can give it. In same line also you can give it. Equal using equal. So okay, in same line also you can. Yeah. So you can give it. Test. Okay. So okay, both are same. Okay. So these both are same. So I can give like this also. That okay. Like line by line the syntax. Otherwise, I can give like this also. M, my module name. That is necessary. So name is equal to my package name. Whatever package I am going to install. Name is equal to my package name. Means the whatever package I am going to install. State. State means state we can latest, right? So we have multiple parameters. Latest, install, or absent, or remove. You go state. So you can see state. So latest, install, present, absent, remove. So present, installed, latest. These three are the same command. Same. Okay. So present, install, latest means it will install. If you give latest means it will install the latest package. Here, right? If you give latest, right? If you give latest, so it will install the latest package. If you give present or install, it will install the whatever the package is there in your library, in your repository, it will install the default one. Absent, remove means it will uninstall. Okay, it will remove. These both are same. So these three are same. But latest, if we mention latest, it will install the latest package. Okay, Gaurav, Revati, Jesu.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Ram.
Same thing
Yeah, Ram.
you can see here. So there, okay, so here they're trying to install the latest. Here they are trying to absent means uninstall. It will remove. Okay, so removing package using uninstall. Okay, and some enabling some repositories, disabling and enabling the repositories, all the stuff. So here you can find the example syntaxes. Okay, example syntaxes. Okay, you can see here all this stuff. Okay, same thing. Okay, here one simple thing. So okay, so you can follow it. So my first playbook YAML or YML, whatever required. So I can copy paste it. Okay, so here local, whatever if you mention the local or already we discussed it. So whatever you require, so you can follow items. So it tasks means your activities in your servers, in your remote servers, and wherever you are. Okay, your task name, your play name. Okay, so here I'm using M module. So you can read this in one line, or you can follow. So like this also. Okay, you can follow this also. Whatever method you want, you can use it. Both are same. Okay. So if you use this one, right, so it's easy to understand. Easy to understand. Okay, for freshers, for who don't know something, right? Means we we can easily find out what. So this is all the same thing. Okay, all you can you can mention in syntax in one line also. M package is equal to HTTP package name. State is equal to whatever install latest or present. Or if you want to remove, then absent or remove some option, update cache. Okay, any questions here? Any questions?
Fine.
So Ram, in
This is
interviews,
syntax. Okay.
what do they ask for YAML files? Do they ask syntax or something, or what question they will ask for YAML file?
Syntax, no, syntax height on here, right? Sometimes they'll give paper pen, they'll write some playbook. Okay, in
Oh,
some interview, okay, in some interviews, they'll give pen and paper and they need playbook. They will give your choice. Just write your water playbook. Some size they will give. Otherwise, they will give one scenario. So rather, and they'll ask you write playbook and all. So okay, and they'll ask modules. What modules you are using? What modules you are using? They will ask. Okay, and some other okay, some others okay. So we have some more like conditions, loops, some other values. Okay, some statements. They will ask the statements. We will discuss the statements. Okay, going forward. Okay,
okay.
Gaurav.
Yeah, sure.
So you should follow like this only. Okay, so here write hyphen a space. If you don't give space, it will throw the syntax error. Colon only. If you don't give colon, it will throw syntax error. Space. If you don't give space, it will throw syntax error. So here right, you should not start from here. Okay, you should not start from here. You should start from below h only. Below host only. Below host only. Okay, so same thing here also, same thing here also, same thing. Okay, so here right, you give only once. Okay, so like, but here you should start from below h only. Here you can give number of spaces, whatever 1 2 3 4 number of spaces you can give here. Okay, so hyphen one space, only one space, not multiple spaces. If you give multiple spaces or don't give space, it will throw syntax error. Same thing here also, same thing. You should from the below name only. So here you have to give one space, means only one space, not tab space, not multiple spaces. If you give multiple spaces, it will throw syntax. Okay, so it's very simple only. If you practice just 4 to 5 playbooks, it will come to know. Okay, any questions here in this syntax or in this module?
No, Ram, I'm good.
No, good.
Shesu?
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Yeah, good.
Okay, okay, Ravati. Okay, Shesu. Just save it. Just save it. I think everyone knows how to save it. Maybe because I sudo open, use sudo, maybe because I'm using a RAM, right, not root. Okay, so then in front of your command, whatever command or something, just use sudo. Just follow correct syntax, otherwise it will throw errors. Okay, just I'll copy paste. If you type it will take some time, again time waste. Okay, right. So now I have my playbook. Okay, so playbook, you can see my playbook. It's just simple playbook only. So here right in task, right? So we can mention the multiple tasks. For example, so this is my playbook, right? If required, so I can mention the multiple tasks. Okay, again. I can mention multiple tasks. Okay, for this stuff, you install HTTPD. For this install ABCD. For this thing, so XYZ. Okay, so for this install 1 2 3. Or your the correct syntax. Whatever syntax, the correct syntax, you can so we can use the multiple task one, not only one task, multiple tasks. But this so this one, the list only once, not multiple times. List only once, the items multiple. Okay, Gaurav, Revati, Shesu.
Yeah, okay.
And this YAML file will be read one by one, right? From top to bottom, like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, top to bottom. Yeah, exactly, top to bottom. That's important. Okay, that is important. Top to bottom. To write top to bottom. Okay, right. That we'll see. Okay, we'll give multiple also. That we'll see later. Okay, fine. Okay, so if you see in my playbook also, right, in some, okay, so for practice given the multiple things that you will see later. Okay, so here you can see the command. So okay, so you can see how to use command. Just Ansible hyphen playbook your playbook name to execute this command, right? To execute this command, okay, sorry, that playbook. All Ansible commands will start with Ansible keyword. All okay. If you want to execute your playbook, then the first keyword is Ansible hyphen playbook. Ansible hyphen playbook, your playbook name. Just enter. So here you can see. Could not match. Okay. I did have given local. Maybe the local is the one group. You can give local host, not local host. Okay, local host or your group name. So here I'll give all.
You need to use sudo again, I think.
Yeah, I'll show you. Oh, sorry. Use sudo. Use sudo. Give all. For first week, right, for first playbook, I'm taking so much time. Why? Because to understanding purpose. For next onwards, okay, just we will use syntax and we'll execute. That's it. Okay, so just okay, just execute 1 second. Ansible playbook, your playbook name. It's throwing error. I'll tell you what is this error. Throwing error. Some error. Okay, some error. Why error? Any cases? Any area? So this is my playbook. So any area? What is this error? Here, right? I mean, what I'm doing? I'm trying to install the something. Linux, wherever you want, Windows or whatever, right? If you want to install, right, installing and uninstalling, you have correct permissions, admin rights or sudo rights. Okay, if you see my playbook, right? Okay, I didn't mention anything that sudo something. In command also, I didn't mention anything. The sudo also. Okay, so you should pass the your that sudo means you have to use the correct permissions. You see here, you can see permission denied. Why? Because here I'm trying to install something. To install or uninstall, so you should have the correct rights, the correct permissions, right? So in command you can mention -s. -s means -sudo in command. So otherwise, in your playbook also you can mention. In playbook, sudo yes, you can mention like this. Because here I'm trying to install something, right? Install if you want to install something, so then you have some right permissions, right? You can mention the sudo yes in playbook. Otherwise, in command line also you can mention the -s. -s. Okay. Just now executing now. So in my playbook, I mentioned sudo yes. You can see that my entry sudo yes. So now execute playbook. See, it install in backend. Okay, that's why it is taking time. Yeah, for first playbook, I'm taking so much time. Okay, so just please try to understand this and try to practice. So for next playbook canvas, we don't take this much time. Just simply we'll maintain the syntax and we'll execute. That's it. Okay. So if you see here, just this is your warning. Means that config files you can see here. So these are the warning defaults. Okay, things okay, which you want to modify, which you want to modify in your config file, your Ansible config. You can see here. Become. You can see it. Become. You can be. You can use become yes or true or sudo yes or true. Both are okay. That we'll see going forward. If you want, you can read. Otherwise, just you can ignore it. Play. My play started. Where I started all. You can see. In worst, I gave an all. So my play started in all servers. Play means the process, the execution process. It means my playbook started execution. Where it is started all the servers, which are in the my default inventory host files. Here I given all right. That's why. Next, this is a default task. Just for now, just leave it. This is very, very important. Okay? For now, just leave it. Maybe next class we'll discuss. Just leave this task. We'll discuss later. Next, my task. My task is install HTTPD. Install HTTPD. Whatever given, same thing. Okay. So here it's printing. It's printing. My task. So okay. So here you can see here Ansible master. So this task is executed in the Ansible master and agent executed. You can see changed the color, yellow color. Changed yellow color means something's changed. The state is changed since previous state. Means whatever you given, so that's executed and change the state. It's something is done. Whether install or uninstall, whatever something is changed the state. Okay, changed means okay, that change the state. Okay, so compare your previous state or last job something. Yes, change means here installed. So that's why changed. You can see the yellow color. So changed in agent also means install, master also install. My play recap. So agent, you can see okay 2 means this is one okay. So this is also it will count as a okay. So change it also it will count as okay means one okay, two okay changed, one changed in my agent, one changed. You can see one changed, unreachable 0, failed 0. So any questions here? Say so, Revati, Gaurav, any questions? For all playbooks, same thing. For all playbooks, same thing. Okay. So for first playbook, I'm taking so much time to explain. First, next time I just will simply will go through it. Revati, Gaurav, any questions here? This task, just leave it. This default
No,
task,
Ram.
I will leave later. So here task, whatever I given task, yellow color means something is changed. Something is changed. What changed means what as by your command. Play recap. Revati, any questions, Revati? Gaurav?
No, Ram.
No, Ram. I'm good.
So here, if you want, so you can check. So RPM QA. So grep HTTPD. You can check. So my HTTPD install in the master. Same thing. If you log into agent, so I will log in. Okay. Or you can okay. I will log in my agent also. I will show you what my agent IP. I will log in agent. If you see the agent also, what are the package you mentioned? Okay. So here, okay, agent. Okay, I log in agent here. Yeah. grep httpd. So I can see the machinery package installed here also. My package installed. This is the command, okay, to in Red Hat Linux, okay, to check the particular package installed or not. So this is the command rpm command grep your package name, whatever package name. It will list out whether the keyword, whatever keyword or package name you given, it will list out whether you installed or not. Okay, right. Any questions so far? Any questions?
No, Ram.
Okay. So now I will edit my playbook again. So okay, again I'll okay. So here at what okay. So what I did, package state is equal to install rate. I'll give absent. And it will remove it. I'll give absent. Absent means absent or removed. You can mention removed or absent. Means it will uninstall. It will remove. Save it. Just execute same package, same command, whatever command. You give a yes. Already I mentioned yesterday in my playbook. Then not required. You give also no problem. So you can see now. Same. Sorry, yeah, I didn't change it. Okay, I didn't change that my subject. Just look, ignore it. I didn't change it. But my command, what I given my command. So state is equal to absent. Here, if you can change, you can editing, modify, like remove or removing something. Okay. So, but in my case, I didn't forget. So okay, just this name. That's it. Your subject, your task name. That's it. Okay. So here you can see here I given state absent means it will remove, it will uninstalled. Again you can see the color code, yellow color, change it means change something. Now run that command, rpm command. You can check whether it's there or not. So if you see before, so this is not our actual package, some tools. So this is my actual package. This is my actual package. Okay. So the first one is not, so that is not the actual package. There's some dependent is some other tools. Okay, this is not the actual. This is my second one is the actual package. Here you can see, you can't see that one. So here also in the agent also, if you see here, I have two. So you run same command now. I can find only the tools. This is not, this is the actual package. Okay. Again, I will change my playbook. I will change my playbook. Now again I will give something present. Okay, some present. I'll give present. Present means to install. Just run the playbook. The playbook. Okay. So it's done. You can see. You see now this command. Now I can see the actual package name. In the agent also you can see the actual package name. Okay, Gaurav, Revati, Shesu.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So again, I'm running same command. Again I'm running. I'm executing same playbook. Now I didn't change anything. Again I'm running same playbook. We'll see what will happen. Run same playbook again, once again. Now you can see the color code. This thing just leave it the default one. This is very, very important also. We'll see tomorrow or next class. Here you can see. Here you can see yellow color changed. Yellow color changed means something is changed because of the playbook is because of here because here, right, when you executed here something is changed. So okay, whatever I mentioned here, so that your command is changed. Here you can see okay, green color. Okay, green color means nothing changed. Your command, your syntax, everything is correct. Your playbook is correct, but nothing is changed. Why? Because already I installed it. Already it was there. In my case, that this package, whatever I mentioned the package, already it was there, already I installed here. So that's why here simply just okay, it's checking and it's showing the okay green color. Okay, green color means nothing installed, nothing is changed. Why? Because already it was there. The particular package, whatever I mentioned, already the particular package, already it was there in my servers, in my 2 servers. That's why it not install. It will not install it. Already it was there. Nothing will do. So okay means everything correct only. The index, everything is correct only, but nothing is changed. Okay, Gaurav, Revati, Shesu.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ram, got it. Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the playbook. So okay, I will upload the documentation. I think already I've uploaded. If not, I will upload. So these videos I will upload. Please practice. For next playbook, I was asked, so will not take this much time. Only 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Just will explain the syntax and just will execute. That's it. Okay, so will not take this much time for next playbook. Please, okay, please practice this one. We'll see tomorrow then. Okay, any questions?
Okay.
No, Ram, I'm good.
Okay, please practice this. Okay, so just please practice this one. Okay, so
Okay, sure.
we will see for next playbook. It will not take this much time. Okay, so we will not explain this thing. Will not explain these things and all. Okay, and syntax also will not explain. Just we will explain the modules only. Okay, thanks. See you tomorrow. Thanks.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Yeah, bye. Bye.
Yeah.